Hey everybody, Mark Edward Lewis here from Cinema Sound, and today we're going to delve into just a little thing that I discovered trying to help a friend with some really badly recorded audio that he did in Kauai with the surf and who knows what else. What a mess. And we're going to compare 3 of the ways that iZotope RX, at least in my case 6, but certainly 7, could possibly fix it and see which way we'd want to go. Let's roll. So here we are in RX6, and here's what the audio sounds like.
So we're going to get, me and Co are going to be on it. We're going to get our brother, our mom, our friend Gabe, and whoever else wants to jump in and just kind of all rise up.
So that's guy number 1. Here's guy number 2, which so you can see from the waveform is going to be a little bit better.
So we're going to, we were doing our sessions in LA every day, and
which is a lot better, but still horrific. So what we're going to do is do dialogue isolate. We're going to do a little comparison, contrast. We're going to do voice denoise here, and we're going to do spectral denoise, which shows up way over here. Let's bring it in here. And the first thing we need to do, if you know anything about how any of this works, is we're going to take a sample of the noise itself for everything but dialogue isolate, which is that surf and turf. We're going to learn that. We're going to learn this. And we're going to check our settings. We're going to start with a 20 decibel reduction with a threshold that's probably about -4. We're not going to have it adapted. We're going to do the same thing here. I'm going to turn off tonal noise because there's no tonal noise here. It's all just straight noise. We're going to bring this to 20. We're going to bring this, what did I say, to -4. And the advanced settings, let's take a look here what we've got. Those all look pretty good to me. We're going to leave this sort of in the middle for now. And then this setting for dialogue isolate, -20 separation strength sounds good. We're going to take this section right here.
so we're going to get, me and Co are going to be on it.
And we're going to do a comparison right now. Hit process, because at least in 6, there's no way for you to be able to preview dialogue isolate. We haven't gotten 7 yet. And this is a pretty intensive artificial intelligent computer learning kind of a process. So it's always going to take 2 or 3 times as long as either of these other 2. Let's see how it does. There we go. Well, it certainly looks better. Let's see how it did.
So we're going to get, me and Co are going to be on it. We're going to get our brother, our mom, our friend Gabe, and whoever else wants to jump in and just kind of all rise up together.
It's okay, but not that great. You know, we'd really wish for a better result. We're going to undo. And now that we have the voice denoise learned, we're going to hit process here. It shouldn't take very long at all. Let's see what this got.
So we're going to get, me and Co are going to be on it. We're going to get our brother, our mom, our friend Gabe, and whoever else wants to jump in and just kind of all rise up together.
And at 20 decibels, it keeps the voice okay, but there's still a ton of noise in here. It's better, I think. It's certainly less than how it was.
So we're going to get,
as opposed to this.
So we're going to get,
but there's some artifacture. Not the end of the world, but not that great either. There's also some weird oscillation. Let's try spectral denoise. We're ready to go. Let's hit process. Lots of processing here. Let's see how it did.
So we're going to get, me and Co are going to be on it. We're going to get our brother, our mom, our friend Gabe, and whoever else wants to jump in and just kind of all rise up together.
Still not a great result, but this is a really bad recording. Like, wow, bad. Room noise, surf noise, bad frequency response. And none of these are perfect, and you're never going to get a perfect response. But to me, the spectral denoise is still a better option than any of the other 3. And you can rewind and see for yourself which one you like better in iZotope RX. Hopefully this video has shown some light onto which plugins you might use in RX on really bad audio. And if it's given you any value at all, please subscribe to this channel if you will. And please come visit us. We have hundreds of videos and blog posts at our website, cinemasound.com, and the world's only comprehensive education to show you how to clean dialogue as well as mix it and record it. Basically take you from I don't know how to do any of it all the way to I'm able to get Hollywood powerful 5.1 immersive results. Please come visit us at cinemasound.com and subscribe here. Until then, we'll see you in the fix bay.
Even if it's for yourself.